Hello viewers, this is Leva Buhay. Today still on my topic about narcissism, my experience, my real story and the healing or recovery period. I will be talking about how nature and the physical activity like walking, starting by walking, can really help you in your healing or your recovery process. Watch the whole video to just learn an information that can be helpful, that can be useful to you. So again, here we go. For those who doesn't know, I am already now for my 4th week of recovering after a narcissistic abuse at work. All of us might think, or all of us might not be aware that there are people surrounding us that are draining our energy, that are taking us, that are giving us emotional pain. And this emotional pain can accumulate from day to day, months and years. In my own experience, it was under 7 years. And I just disregarded because I thought that those emotional pain will just go away. But then on my 7th year came a very serious problem that just makes it worse. That just makes my case worse. This narcissist at my work is for me getting more worse. Her way of talking, dealing with people, all this thing, and I have explained it in a lot of my videos before this one I'm making now. So my 2 weeks was the worstest nightmare I got, because during these times I had pain and I cannot sleep. By seeking professional help, it was really very good, but at the same time I didn't stop at just seeking professional help, because every time I meet my psychologist I have only 30 minutes to talk with her. So what I did, I tried to seek more information in the internet, and it really helps. And I can prove it myself, how physical activity, especially just walking or jogging, can really help you in your recovery period. And I am the person that I had been doing it a lot of time. Charging batteries, one of my ways is going to the forest and to the areas where there's greenery, trees, the ground is now green. I was thankful that the snow had melted quite earlier, so it can help me with my recovery period. So as you see, this blue sky, some of the trees didn't get their leaves yet because it's just March. It will start around end of March or early April. So now you only see these pine trees that beholds their leaves, because they survive even during winter. So I feel like this as of now. I had been walking every day. I increase I increase how much I walk. I increase the time that I walk. And today I was able to walk like an hour. I can never make it. My second week I can only walk for like 15-20 minutes. The 3rd week I can walk for like 30 minutes and I get pain already. But now I had been walking for an hour and I still feel very much okay. I know I will get tired when I come home, but anyway, it's a positive thing that I don't have anymore so much pain on my neck while doing the walking. And every time I wake up in the morning, it feels like I don't want to go up. For the first 2 weeks, I feel like, oh my God, my body was just weak. But then there is one thing in my mind that I was thinking. I want to recover as early as possible. I want to be healed. And I can tell you, this beautiful place with a very strong sunlight and a beautiful view, and just walking around this area, it's kind of feeling where it's taking all those negative energy from you. And I can really recommend from my own experience. From time to time, I take a walk, being in nature. I feel the anxiety is decreasing from day to day. And my tiredness is going away from day to day. I know some listeners might have experienced. I know some of you might not know how emotional stress, how emotional pain can drain your energy. So I really hope that this content of mine can contribute to people's knowledge all about narcissism, all about people who have manipulative characteristics, people that we call narcissists, people who have these narcissistic characteristics, that is a personality disorder that can maybe be healed or not. A lot of psychologists are saying it's hard to heal people with this kind of narcissistic characteristic, especially the malignant ones. So the only thing I can say, we still have a weapon. Be strong. If you will become a victim like me, just try to do as much as you can to fight for it. If you are not still a victim of it, but you are already experiencing that there are people that are making you feeling bad, irritated, if this is a continuing relationship, feeling you got from it, as much as possible, if you have the choice, get rid of that person or avoid that person. If it happens in your workplace like me, get out from there. I know it can be hard to look for another job. In my case, I didn't resign on my job, but I requested from my boss that I should be assigned to another department, and I got it. And anyway, trust yourself, believe in yourself, and it is also one way that the healing process will be much, much faster. We might be in a situation where we get the emotional pain in a different degree, but as far as my experience is concerned, don't stop. Don't hesitate to do everything for you to heal, for you to recover. Again, this is Liva Buhay, your information TV that will be continuing to share my real experience and all other things I can share to my viewers, subscribers, and my friends here in YouTube. Thank you for watching.